Smart Culture, Mathematics.
Here we have another example. Sketch the graph of y is equal to negative x plus 5. Now, as you can see, this will be a straight line graph. So first we'll work out where the graph intersects the y-axis. Now remember, the graph intersects the y-axis when x is equal to 0. So let's substitute this value of 0 into the equation. Then we have y is equal to negative 0 plus 5, which means y is equal to 5. The graph intersects the x-axis when y is equal to 0. So let's substitute this value of 0 into the equation. Then we have 0 is equal to negative x plus 5, which means x is equal to 5. Now that we know y is equal to 5 and x is equal to 5, we can plot these 2 points and connect them. This is then what the straight line graph will look like.
And that's a wrap on today's fascinating journey through the world of knowledge. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our ever-growing community of curious minds. We can't wait to embark on new educational adventures together.